Hey lovely students, I'm Kave and today we're going to talk about the differences between be going to and well. When we want to talk about future, we can use well or be going to, but it can be hard to find out which one to use. In this video, you're going to learn all the differences and use them in a correct way. Before starting our grammar lesson, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. By subscribing, you can support us completely. Now let's start with well. When to use well. If you want to learn future with well completely, don't forget to watch our previous videos, which was about future with well. For example, we have a conversation and we make a decision at that time of speaking. Like this conversation, one of my friends comes over and says, Jack is sick. He's not coming to the party. And I say, really? Okay, I'll call him right now. I make a decision at the time of speaking. Just right now. I'll call him. And we can use well in ordering situation. For example, we are in a restaurant and they ask us, what would you like to eat? And I say, I will have a cheeseburger. Or we can use it to make an offer. For example, we're staying at home and suddenly someone knocks on the door and we say, I'll open the door. We can use it for promising. For example, we are in a situation that we need to pay, but I say, I'm sorry, I've got no money right now. Can you lend me some, please? I promise I'll pay you back tomorrow. Don't worry. But be going to is kind of different. We have an intention. We made a decision before. For example, I am going to see the Eiffel Tower this summer. I made a decision about it. We use be going to plus the base form of the verb. I am going to see. See is the base form of the verb. It doesn't matter what the subject is. We can say, he is going to see the Eiffel Tower. They are going to see the Eiffel Tower. Another example, it's been a while, I've decided to try Italian restaurant. I'm going to order pizza. I made a decision before. Or talking about predictions. We can use well and be going to for predictions, but in different situations. For example, I think it's going to rain, or I think it will rain. They seem same, but they're different. How? Let me tell you. About the prediction, if the prediction is based on the fact or some clear evidence, we use be going to. For example, look at those black clouds. I think it's going to rain because we have a fact or evidence, which is black clouds. But when we say it will rain, we're just feeling we've got no clear evidence. We just make a prediction about future with will. So when you want to make a prediction, if you've got a fact or clear evidence, use be going to, but if you're just feeling something, use will. So my lovely students, that was the end of be going to versus well. I hope that you have learned it completely. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you.